of the Boatyard Boys. We have competitors, good snack versus bad snack.
Let's explain what we're doing first.
We're gonna do snacks.
We're doing snacks that are good for boats and snacks that are not good for boats.
We're gonna start
according to Finnlay.
We're gonna start off with competitor 1, good snacks. Protein bars. I suggest Built Puff. They do have a chocolate layer which is crummy. You do not want crummy foods. That's a pro tip. We are gonna be eating some of these snacks. So Built Puff bars is a good one. Let's eat this snack.
Meat sticks.
They're good.
All right, as he eats a snack, I'll keep talking. The meat sticks are really good. Less trash. Please do not throw your trash in the water.
I suggest my flavor that I have today, which is cookie dough chunk, because it has cookie dough chunks.
Yeah. We also like to use the squeezy apple. What is this stuff? What is this called? Apple.
Go squeeze.
Go squeeze apple sauce. There's fun. Dried mangoes. Don't make a very big mess. Hey, you gotta keep talking and stop less eating.
We have trail mix, Rocky Road.
Rocky Road trail mix, yeah. What we don't like and why we don't like it. Why do we not like bananas on boats, Philly?
Bananas on boats or bad luck. Do not take the bananas.
M&M's. Why would we not want Dad's favorite M&M's on a boat?
Because they're too crunchy and they have peanuts.
And they roll around. They roll around on the boats. Cheetos. Why do we not like Cheetos on a boat, Finley?
Too crunchy. Crunchy stuff, the speed of the boat, if it's a speedboat, and if it's like this boat, serendipitous, the speed of the boat can be so fast, the crumbs just go wee, and they fly into the ocean, and then the ocean's animals eat those crumbs, and we don't want, and then they can die.
Well, and also the orange, according to Dad, the orange that you get on the fingers wipes off on the boat, and that's not fun to clean. Pringles. Are these good or bad?
They're bad.
They're bad? Why?
Because, like we said about the Cheetos, they are too crunchy.
Too crunchy. You get pieces everywhere. What about Oreos? My favorite.
Double stuffed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
They're so good.
What's bad about Oreos on a boat?
They are double stuffed, so they make them soft, but they have that crunchy out layer cookie.
Well,
Oh, see?
That's not coming back up.
well. If you look at Finley's hands from eating all these snacks and his beautiful little face, and now we're wiping it on our shorts, now where does that chocolate go? Hydration. I highly recommend drinking lots of water or electrolytes when you're out on the boat also, right?
Yeah. If you want like soda or like carbonated drinks, sparkling ice, that's the best flavor. If you're diabetic like me, 0 sugar.
0 sugars. So please like and subscribe for more videos like this of Finley teaching us about boat stuff. Until next time.
Or the Boatyard Boys, subscribe. And I've been hearing, let's talk about something.
Next one. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
You can learn a lot with the boat.